Do not play with dust, sweetheart.
But why, Mom? It's fun to make shapes with it.
It's not good for your health. Dear dust can make you sick.
Really?
Not here, but... Here. Play wild, my dear sister.
No loud talking or yelling.
Really?
Not here, but... Here. Yell wild, my dear sister.
No playing on the grass.
Really?
Not here, but... Here. Play here and run wild, my dear sister.
Come in, but no splash shoes.
Really?
Not here, but... Here. Splash